Today, I'm going to teach you how to group rows and columns in Google Sheets. This is a fantastic way to organize your data and make your spreadsheets cleaner and easier to navigate, especially when you're working with large data sets that need better structure. First, head over to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your Google Workspace. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll be directed to your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and documents. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to group rows and columns. This could be any existing sheet you're working on, whether it's a budget tracker, project plan, or data analysis document. The sheet will open up in a new tab, giving you full access to edit and organize your data. Now let's start by grouping rows. Select multiple rows that you want to group together. You can do this by clicking on the row numbers on the left side of your sheet while holding down the mouse button to highlight several rows at once. Once you've selected the rows you want, right-click on them. A menu will appear with various options. From this menu, click on View More Actions and then select Group Rows. This action tells Google Sheets to treat these rows as a single collapsible unit. After grouping the rows, take a look at the left side of your spreadsheet. You'll notice an indicator has appeared, confirming that your rows are now grouped. This indicator includes a minimize icon, which is typically represented by a small minus sign. Click on this minimize icon to collapse the group, hiding the rows from view. This is incredibly useful when you want to declutter your sheet and focus on other sections without deleting any data. Now let's move on to grouping columns. Select multiple columns by clicking on the column letters at the top of your sheet while holding down the mouse button. Once you've highlighted the columns you want to group, right-click on them. Again, a menu will appear. Click on View More Actions and then select Group Columns. This groups your selected columns together in the same way we did with the rows. After grouping the columns, look at the top of your spreadsheet. You'll see a minimize icon appear above your grouped columns. Click this icon to hide or show the group content. This toggle function allows you to quickly expand or collapse your column groups, making it much easier to manage wide spreadsheets with lots of data. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to group both rows and columns in Google Sheets, giving you better control over your spreadsheet organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.